Okay, so now we do the shape of our main character here, our Lemon King Lemon, in the layer stroke layer. So we use this tool here, the pen tool, shortcut P. Okay, we don't want to get some color in the fill here, so we just swap fill and stroke. Boom, like this we have our yellow color in the stroke part. So now with this tool, what we can do with this tool, it's create shapes really easy. So I will start to follow my drawing. So I will click here, up, I will go here. Okay, so and in the same time, to move like this in the space, you just have to click on space, all right, and left click. Okay, so this, it's awesome. And to zoom in, zoom out, it's Alt, like this, okay, and Alt and with the middle click. So the middle click up and down. Perfect. So I will start again. Boom. So I have like a straight line here. I click here, and with my left button, because I click with my left button from my mouse, I keep my finger on my button, and I just move like this. And Illustrator, it's making me a tangent, and with this tangent now I got a curve, so I just choose the good position I need to have. Boom. I will do another one here like this, and I click on my first pivot point. Perfect. If you want to move a bit the point here, you just have to use this tool, the drag select tool. It's the shortcut, it's A, and you click on the point you want to move, and you can move like this. Okay, so this, it's really useful if you did something wrong in the first path. All right, like this. Okay, good. Up. Perfect. Nice. So now we have our main shape. Now I want to make my second shape here. So all this stuff, I will do this stuff right now with the path finder. Good, so I will select this shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, like this. It's copy past my shape at the same spot. I will move just a bit like this. Scale my shape up. Okay, that seems good. I will click on the shape, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V. I will take this shape here first, right click, arrange, and bring to front. I will select this shape, this one, and in path finder I will click on minus front, just here. Boom! Like this, it's making me another shape. Now I will do the triangle shapes here. So let's say the middle, it's here, because here in my picture I see like all the triangle are pointing to the center of the lemon. So we do the same, so it's here, something there. So we create my first one. Boom. Here. So it's a simple design. It is a really simple character design, so I don't want to make too much details. I just want to make like simple shapes. So it should be 3 triangles. I think it's enough. Up. Boom. Alright, awesome. Oh, no, straight. I want straight. Okay, and to cancel like a line, it's Ctrl Z. Alright, Ctrl Z. It depends on your settings, but usually the default settings in Illustrator, it's Ctrl Z. Okay, perfect. And for example, if one point you don't like it, you don't like one point, you click here and you choose delete point tool, and it's simple. You just click on the point you want to delete, and boom. All right. So Ctrl Z. We have our 3 triangles. Perfect. We delay this. Okay, good for this step. For this step. Sorry.